You gonna be scared?
See, I wouldn't want you guys to watch me.
We can't.
They're standing there watching.
Well, yeah, that's the other people that have gone. It's a 3-hour tour.
You're on the zip line for 3 hours?
Yeah.
What?
We're going geocaching while you guys do this.
No, but look.
Emma. Macy. Emma Sue. Emma.